Hello everyone, I will show you how to crochet this beautiful and easy lacy pattern. It's a repeating design that works perfectly for shawls, blankets, throws, table runners and even cardigans. If you enjoy relaxing beginner friendly crochet pattern, this one is for you. Soon I will post my next video with the project I finished in this pattern. For this project I am using medium worsted weight yarn size 4 in this beautiful maroon red color. I used a 5 mm hook size. I highly recommend you to follow along with me for easier adoption of the tutorial. If you are ready with your materials, let's get started. Start by making 35 to 40 chains. It should be multiple of 5. I'm making around 40 chains. Here is slip knot and make chains loose. The beauty of this pattern is it's lacy and it works in multiple projects, and there is no foundational row required. As soon as we finish our chains, we can start the pattern itself. Let's begin for row 1. Skip 2 chains and make a double crochet. Now again a double crochet in the same chain. Next make a double crochet in the next chain, very next chain. So you get it, we started with a double crochet, 2 double crochet in a chain, and then again 2 double crochets in the next chain, like this you can see here. Now skip next 3 chains, then make 2 double crochets in the 4th chain. This is 1 and this is 2. Now 2 double crochet in the immediate next chain. After this we will skip next 3 chains and repeat the same process. Repetitions has already started. After skip 3 we are making 2 DCs in the next chain. Two DCs in the immediate next chain. And we skip next 3 chains. Let's complete this row 1 and I will tell you how to finish this row 1 in the end when you are left with the 3 chains. Here I am working on the last piece of the 2 double crochets, and now we will be closing this row. So we are left with 3 chains. We will be making a double crochet in the last chain. And we are done with the row 1. Let's begin for row 2, chain 2 and turn work. Then make front post double crochet around the second double crochet. Okay, actually this is the third double crochet and second in the one chunk of double crochets. So make front post double crochet and then make 2 double crochets in the space between the previous 2 double crochets. You can see clearly in this image I am making the 4th double crochet, but this is a front post double crochet around the 4th double crochet. Then we will skip the next 2 double crochets and make front post double crochet around the 3rd. Now make 2 double crochet in the space in between the 2 double crochets of previous row. Now make next front post double crochet around the next double crochet of the previous row. So this way we have 2 chunks. Let's finish this chunk and see how it looks. Repeated, you can see here how the row looks. I'm going to show entire row. Let's see. So start by making a front post double crochet around the 3rd stitch. Then we will make 2 double crochets in the space between the previous 2 double crochets like this. Then you have to make a front post double crochet around the next double crochet. Maybe if you're following along, you might have got the grasp of it, like it's very easy. It just looks so hard, but it's not really. We just need to concentrate on the current stage working on and keep the pattern going on. So you have to repeat it like this: front post double crochet, then 2 double crochets, and then again a front post double crochet. Let's finish this row. I am showing a repeated row as well after this. So once we complete this row 2, we will see how to repeat this row 2 for next rows. As this is a beginner friendly crochet pattern, I am just showing it in detail and completing entire rows to help the beginners. Let's see how to finish this row. We are about to work on our last chunk of the four stitches. I call it as a chunk because it looks like that. So this is the front post double crochet. Then we will make 2 double crochets in the space between, and then our last front post double crochet for this row. Done with the last front post double crochet. Now we will make a double crochet in the very first stitch with which we started our double crochets in the 3rd chain. Remember, we skipped first 2 chains, so we have to make this double crochet in that very chain. For the next row, chain 2, turn your work. And yes, There you see how beautiful the pattern is getting generated. I'm gonna show you the repeating row again. For the third row, which is the repeat of second row, we will skip first 2 stitches and make front post double crochet in the third one, make 2 double crochet in the space in between, and then make a front post double crochet in the next stitch. Done with the first chunk, we will repeat the same till the end of this row. For the next chunk, make a front post double crochet skipping the 3 stitches, then make 2 double crochets, then make a front post double crochet. Please share if you have any questions about this pattern. I would love to answer in the comment section. Let's finish this repeating row, and you have to follow same thing until you complete your project. So this is the main pattern row, and we'll repeat this row for most of the projects. I will complete the row quickly now. This lacy crochet pattern is very versatile and can be used for so many projects. Would you use this pattern for a shawl, blanket or table runner? Let me know in the comments. I would love to know. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and happy crocheting. See you in the next one.